Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Papa Rakau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. In the Tākaro Tribe. What are you doing today?
We're having a rest. I'm eating a manarini, mandarin. I and E are eating a banana. Oh, Kōkā! Somebody bit my apple.
That's strange, eh?
I can't find one of my tōkina socks. Oh, they were both here.
That's very strange, Ooh.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
Ko Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Papa Rakau.
Kia ora, ā. Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi, Pa.
Mama Kotsi has a problem. I need you to come and help her. But you must visit Kōkā first.
Kāpai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Papa Rakau has asked us to help Mama Koti.
It's always good to help others, or no matter who they are.
Kōkā, somebody bit my apple.
E, did you know we eat using our waha, mouth?
This is my Waha, mouth.
That's right, E. And what is your mouth full of?
Noho.
Just a minute, Papa Rakau's calling you.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Papa Rakau.
Pepe Kotsi has gone missing. Will you find Mama Koti's baby for her?
Aye, Papa Rakau.
Pepe Kotsi went missing when they were visiting Tuatara in the forest. You need to look there.
Small problem, Papa Rakau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
That we eat using our Waha, mouth.
Do you know different creatures have different kinds of waha, mouth?
How?
Let's take a look. The mouth of an aihe, dolphin, has sharp teeth for catching fish. Pāpaka, crab, has a small mouth but no teeth. And Māmā Koti has teeth at the bottom but none on top.
They're not like us at all.
That's right, E.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Kōriake! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong.
Don't forget your recycling bags. Ah, you can collect pepper, paper. You collect the krahe, glass. E, you're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Papa Rakau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakatiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mākuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, taikie!
All aboard Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
Be on the watch for Pepe Koti Tākaro Tribe.
E noho rā, Papa Rakau!
There's the Pāmu. Farm.
Ira, look! There's lots of koti, goats.
Koti, goats live in herds. Their Waha mouths are so strong they can eat almost anything.
They're saying hello to us!
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish.
Hey, I've got some glass. I found an ipu kiriho, a plastic container.
That's not the right bag.
Yay! Got it right this time.
Here's Tuatara's cave, Tākaro Tribe. And here's Tuatara.
Kia ora, Tuatara. Tuatara, Mama Koti sent us to find Pepe Koti. Have you seen him?
Tuatara is very happy you're here. He says there's something scary in his cave.
Whoa!
Wait! Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Waha. Waha.
Waha is the word of the day.
But how does that help Tuatara? Or take us to find Pepe Koti? Maybe the word of the day, Waha, now can help. I have an idea. Here's Pepe Koti. Pepe Koti was scaring Tuatara. And there's my missing tōkena, Sock.
Solved everyone's problems, Tākaro Tribe.
Yay! Let's celebrate with a waiata.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You found Pepe Koti.
Ana Papa Rakau. Yay! Pepe Koti's waha mouth was the clue.
Well done, E. Shall we look at what our friends have been up to today?
Waha. 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 Waha.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. First, E's aporo, apple, had a bite out of it. Then U's tōkena, sock, went missing. Then Mama Koti asked you to find Pepe Koti. You visited Tuatara, and the word of the day showed you the answer to all your problems was Pepe Koti. The word is wa, a, h, a. Wa, ha, waha. Now that was a beautiful day.
What
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say good night. Pō Mārie, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga. Takoto iho ki raro,